Hi everyone, welcome back to Diamond Paintings with Mike, and I'm very blessed to have received this wonderful gift. Paula's Crafty Corny, Crafty Corny? Oh my god, Crafty Corny, yeah. Paula's a Crafty Corner, sorry, not Crafty Corny. I can't speak today. Reached out to me and said, would I like this item? It's like a flower box thing. And I said, oh yeah, thank you very much. Yes, I'll gladly take that. Now, with Paula, she always includes lovely other stuff. And I was so excited. I'm really sorry, but I've opened it already, as you can see. So yeah, I'm really sorry, but I was just so excited to get into it. And that's unlike me. I like to just wait and open and unbox it, but it was too exciting. I mean, look at the size of it. Now, in here, there are some wonderful, wonderful things. So, let's get the first item now. This is the thing that Paula asked if I'd like. And it is a little flower storage box. And inside here, as you can see, we have two lots of bags. So, lots of bags there. We have this very unusual size wax section. This I've commented on her channel a while back when she very first started doing Velook art, and I really liked the look of this pen, and she's very kindly sent me this pen which is a screw tip. And I'm not sure if it's like the one like Sharon that had that big circumference, because we were having a lot of problems trying to pick up with them. But yeah, I've always liked the look of the Velook pens, and I've always wanted one, but yeah, I couldn't believe it when she included one. So this is one of their Velook art pens. And then, as you know, I love my bead pens, and I could not believe Paula included this. It was so lovely because I love bead pens. You can make so many different designs and build them up, and look at that, it's got a little ladybird on there and a little flower as well. So this is a lovely pen. So you twist it. These feel lovely quality as well. It really feels like a lovely pen. And then in here we have ourselves the drills, which will go on this box. Now this is completely fresh out of the water here. I have never ever done a storage box like this before. So this is interesting because it's something that's not a canvas, and I always love, stick is fabulous. I always love getting things that are not canvases, getting really wacky, unusual things to diamond paint. So I'm not really sure what I'm going to use it for yet, but I love flowers and this is perfect. So I suppose we could put like, well, we'll find something. We could stack all the these little green trays in there. So yeah. So in here we have the, yeah, sorry, I was supposed to be going live today, but I'm shattered. I just have had really lack of sleep over the weekend because obviously my nephew was there, and he gets you up very early in the morning, sometimes 7 or 8 o'clock on a weekend. So I just don't have the energy right now to do a live. So I thought I'd do this instead. So yeah, we're gonna flip it. So this is obviously your teardrop, so your marquees. You've got a blue one, a lime one, a yellow one, a pink one, a pink button. We've got a pinky sort of standard diamond thing there. We've got a blue one, a teal, a pink, and an orange. So this is going to look absolutely gorgeous. I love it. I think that's just so cool, isn't it? So we can put, because obviously the pencil case, this pencil case here, that's going to fill up quite a lot. So this will be perfect for just like putting your pens like that, you know, all the surplus ones that you get. Or you could stack your bags up like this. There's so many wonderful things that you can do with this. You could put your stapler in there. You could put, I don't know, your craft knife here, you could put in there. There's so many things that you can use it for. So yeah, I'm very happy with that. And I'm going to pop them into there like so that we don't lose them. But something like that, I mean, that's not going to take long at all. I could probably squeeze that onto the ocean completion, the June completion, sorry. But yeah, because she did say she had a larger one and said would I like the smaller one, and I was, yeah, very glad to receive it. So huge thanks for that. So we'll put that to one side. Okay, so let's go for a big one now. So this one was wrapped up. I've took the bow off it because I was too excited to get into it. And oh my god, you won't believe what this one is. This is gorgeous. Now, I could have sworn I saw this on her channel as an unboxing, and I could not believe it. Paula loves, she knows my love for lions, and look at this. Isn't that gorgeous? This is a 40x40, and it's the little cub with his dad. How cool is that? This is absolutely stunning. The colours in it, it's just, oh, it's so beautiful. So yeah, I couldn't resist. I just had to open it. Now I normally do these lines in January, so we'll save that for whenever we next do a lion theme, because the channel is resting at the end of this year. So whenever we decide to do another lion theme, we will make sure that we do that. So yeah, 22 colours on here. It looks like they're staring up to the night sky here. There wasn't a tray in this, Paula, so I'm not sure if it's fell out in the bag or not, but there weren't no tray with this, which is fabulous because I get so many of these green trays and I really like the DAC ones. So I don't do green trays anymore, but look at this wonderful red of, oh, let's just check the stick. Yeah, that's gorgeous. I wonder where she got it from, because down here it looks like he's been drooling or something. There's all this, like, looks like saliva or something from his mouth that he's obviously been eating something. So we've got a purple, we've got a pink, some blacks, a grey. Oh, a grey drill, that's quite interesting. They rarely get a grey drill on my ones that I get, but wow, grey drill. We've got a, oh, violet, I'd say, another grey. We've got a blue, a purple, a lilac, a sandy grey colour. We've got a power blue, another blue. We've got ourselves a burgundy, purpley colour there. We've got terracotta. We've got a, God knows what that one is. Pink colour, a brown, purpley, sort of tingy, reddy colour there, a brown. Again, I'm not really sure, like a bluey grey maybe, a purple and a purple. But yeah, this is a stunning painting. I really like this because it's nice as well, because you've got all the little rainbow vibes in it. It could very well be a Temu one. So that's really lovely. I can't wait to do that. So, but it can't be a Temu one because they have this around it. So that tells me it's from a premium company. So we've got that one. So put that to one side. Okay, so the next thing is gonna blow your mind. Well, it might, I don't know. Well, the next thing, Paula got me this. Look at that. This is a framed crystal picture. And oh my god, the only one I've had that has this round here, the frame, was that flower one that I showed you that I got from Vinted. And I could not believe there was a craft body item in here. I'm so super excited about this. I love owls, so this is perfect. And inside here, as you can see, it's a frame picture, snowy owl by the night scenes. And in here we have, just check if there's anything else in the box. No. But you see on here, it's got that lovely frame. Now this is quite a nice one because it's a white one. But this is just some of the things I'd love to get in this is that flamingo set. I'd love to get this, and I'd love to get that, probably all of this. I just wouldn't probably go for this one here. I'd definitely get that, but just not that one, because I very rarely do like mystery, I don't know, what would you call that, fantasy painting? Like a mystic sort of painting, I don't know. But yeah, this just tells you how to diamond paint. And then obviously you've got your printout schematic, which is quite handy. Now this is the canvas itself, so it's got that gorgeous blue background on the back, the bright fierce orange eyes, and then obviously this lovely snowy scene. The stick is superb. Now when I got this, I couldn't work out how this fitted in there, because when you go like that, it almost feels like it fits over the side, so you see it doesn't quite fit properly. So I'm just hoping and praying that it will. I think what it is it's an optical illusion, because if we look on this side, but then again it is, oh, it's quite, that will fit, but it's quite tight. But you see it's an optical illusion going on, because on here it's going to look like it doesn't fit because you've got these thick parts here. But remember, when you flip it, the frame is then thinned down, so it will slot into there quite nicely. It is ever so tight, but I think that will fit perfectly. So let's take a look at our drills, and we've got a wow. Sorry, I thought that was a bigger boat, one of the upgraded ones. That's a white one, but a shitload of bags, so thanks for that. And then this is, I haven't had a look at these yet, so yeah. But yeah, I couldn't believe it, a craft buddy item. Do you know what? Paula has got these XL gonks. Well, I think they're gnomes, but gonks, gnomes. I think they're gnomes, not gongs. But gonks have their hoods covered, whereas gnomes don't. Sorry, their face covered, but it's like with a hat thing. And she has got some XL gnomes, and I'm just really hoping and praying they will sell them in B&Ms, because I've never seen them in there, but they obviously sell the buddies in there. So, and I've got some XL with the, you know, remember when we did these? So I know they sell XLs in there, but I've never seen them in there. So, and I really like the look of that teapot that she did on the giveaway. So I really like that. So we've got an orange, a white. That's a gorgeous colour, that one. It's like a yellow sandy colour. We've got a grey, another grey, a light blue, a grey, and a black. So very lovely indeed. These gifts are just wonderful. So I'm going to pop this back in the box so I don't lose it, because I lose things so easily. So let's pop that back in here. Such a lovely gift. Yeah, I could not believe it when it was it said craft buddy on it. So let's put this back in here. But if you want to get this, this is the Snowy Owl Buy of the Night. And just look at that. I mean, if you look closely, it's not all white. You've got flicks of blue, you've got a yellowy colour, a whitey colour. So there's a lot of colours going on in here. This gorgeous blue beak. This is going to be a stunning one. And it's lovely because it's on a nice quality frame, as opposed to them thin cardboard ones that you get with the range or the works. But wow. Okay, last but not least, we have two more items in here. And this is, Paula very kindly sent me 2 more DACs, because I no longer keep the green trays. They just take forever. Like, they don't pay, like, for example, if you put that in there, you can see that it doesn't really hold a lot, and I'm forever spilling them. So I needed some more of these, which is lovely. And just to show you a preview of what I'm working on, this is what I'm working on at the moment. So these will come in quite handy for doing that. And this is that, you know, that 4 in a set theme that I picked up recently. This is really lovely, so I would urge you to get these because they're lovely to work on. And I'm going to try and get that done for the ocean completion. So yeah, it is just really funky colours on that. So these will come in perfect for finishing that off. So in here we've got our gorgeous peachy one. As you can see, do what makes you sparkle. We've got that one, which is a gorgeous colour, lovely corally pink colour there. And then of course this gorgeous light blue, absolutely stunning. 2 more trays and 2 more to join the ever-growing collection of these DAC trays. I love these trays. I just think it's such a fantastic idea. That, you know, they're nice and big. You've got the slot that covers it, so you don't get that spillage. And yeah, these are kind of old-fashioned now. Like, I don't think many of us keep them anymore. I would definitely prefer these over them, absolutely. But yeah, I think these are just stunning. So I hope you like that package from Northern Ireland. It's travelled all the way down from Northern Ireland, and oh my god, it was with me like the next day. I couldn't believe it. It came through so quick, considering, you know, it had to go through customs and that. But yeah, I can't wait to get this done. I'm probably going to keep this up tonight, because I can't wait to get that finished. So I mean, yeah, I can't wait to, if I can try and get the parrot freed up, I can use this, the trays as well, to kit this up. So yeah, I think this is gorgeous, absolutely stunning. Look at that, absolutely beautiful. So yeah, wow. Well, anyway, thank you very much for watching. Please remember to like, share, subscribe if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye for now.